Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use simple marble race. First, let's get your race set up. You'll begin by selecting a track layout from the many options provided. Next, pick your favorite marbles. You can choose up to 10 different ones to compete. Finally, fine-tune the race parameters like marble speed and gravity to create a truly unique and exciting event. It's all about making the race exactly how. Once your track and marbles are ready, it's time to start the action. Simply locate and press the prominent Start button to launch your competition. Watch closely as your chosen marbles tumble and roll through every twist and turn of the course. Don't forget to use the intuitive camera controls. You can zoom in on a favorite marble or get a wide shot of the entire thrilling race unfolding before your eyes. Once you've found your perfect spot, executing the leap is straightforward. Position your character at the very edge of the platform, looking down at your safe landing zone. While holding the free run button, which allows for fluid movement, press the jump button. Your character will then perform the iconic dive, tucking into a perfect, damage-free fall. Remember, precise timing isn't as critical as proper positioning and holding the correct buttons. After the marbles cross the finish line, it's time to analyze the outcome. The game provides detailed statistics, showing the final standings and how each marble performed. You can also replay the entire race from multiple camera angles, ensuring you don't miss any exciting moments or close finishes. Finally, share your impressive race results and your brilliantly designed custom tracks with the simple marble race community, inviting others to enjoy your creations.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.